Welcome! If you're looking to clean up your Roblox messages and keep your inbox organized, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to archive a chat in Roblox messages on your mobile device. This updated guide will walk you through each step, so you can easily tidy up your conversations without deleting anything important. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Roblox app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a row of icons. Tap the three dots on the bottom right corner. This is the More button. It opens up a menu with all sorts of options to help you manage your Roblox experience. From here, find and tap on Messages. This will take you straight to your inbox, where you can see all your recent chats and conversations. Take a moment to scroll through your messages and find the chat you want to archive. Maybe it's an old conversation with a friend, or a group chat you don't need right now, but might want to revisit later. Once you've found the chat, check it by tapping on it. You'll notice that after you select the chat, a new option appears on your screen. Look for the Archive button. Tap it, and just like that, the chat will be moved out of your main inbox and into your archived messages. Archiving a chat doesn't delete it, so you can always go back and find it later if you need to. This is a great way to keep your inbox organized, especially if you're active on Roblox and have lots of messages coming in. And that's all there is to it. With just a few taps, you can archive any chat and keep your Roblox messages neat and clutter-free. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks to make your Roblox experience even better. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.